Most people think you can only tell whether a part is good after it's measured, but experienced CNC operators begin analyzing the process much earlier, while the part is still being machined. That doesn't mean the operator already knows the inspection result. Final quality is always confirmed through inspection, but there are many signs that show whether the machining process is stable. One of the first things an operator observes is chip formation. The shape, size, and consistency of the chips help indicate how stable the cutting process is. Operators also check that chips are evacuated properly and the coolant reaches the cutting zone effectively. If chip behavior changes unexpectedly, it may be a reason to verify the cutting tool or machining parameters before the cycle is complete. Another important factor is tool performance. A worm cutting tool can affect surface finish, accuracy, and process stability. That's why operators continuously monitor the machining process. Operators also monitor machining parameters, cutting speed, feed rate, coolant flow, and they make sure everything follows the manufacturing process. Another critical step is proper work holding. Before machining begins, the operator verifies that the part is securely clamped, correctly referenced to the required datums, and set up according to the manufacturing process. Secure work holding helps maintain process stability and repeatable results from part to part. Even the most advanced CNC program cannot compensate for incorrect setup or insufficient clamping rigidity. After machining, the part goes through quality inspection. This is where compliance with the drawing and customer requirements is confirmed. Experience helps identify potential issues earlier, but the final decision always comes from the inspection. That's how experience, attention to detail, and inspection work together to ensure consistent quality for every part. B&K Precision Machining, we believe that quality begins long before the final inspection. It is built into every step of the manufacturing process. Our commitment is simple: precision in every detail. If you're looking for a trusted partner in precision CNC machining, we'd be happy to work with you. Visit our website to learn more about our capabilities and completed projects. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.